Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Payoneer account step by step. First, open your browser or your app and go to the official Payoneer website or app. Then, go ahead and click on register or I will register, and then now choose the option that best describes you. Then choose your destination and how would you describe your business. Then you can choose how you like to use Payoneer. Then go ahead and enter your email address and then create a strong password and then sign in. Now make sure your information matches your legal documents. Next, fill in your contact details like your country or your address and phone number. Then enter your bank account details carefully. Double check your details carefully or everything before continuing. Finally, submit your application. Payoneer will review your details and send you an email once your account is approved. That's it. You now have successfully signed up for Payoneer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like